Have you ever looked up at the night sky, gazing at the endless expanse above, and felt a sense of wonder about what might be out there? Maybe you found yourself asking, are we truly alone in this vast universe? Or could there be other forms of life waiting to be discovered? That's the question at the heart of astrobiology, a field dedicated to exploring one of humanity's oldest and most profound mysteries. NASA leads this cosmic quest, bringing together astronomers, biologists, geologists, chemists, and even engineers. Together, they work to unravel the secrets of life's origins, its evolution, and its possible future across the universe. Astrobiology isn't just about searching for aliens. It's about understanding what life truly needs to survive, where those conditions might exist beyond Earth, and how we could recognize the signs of life if we found them. With billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars and planets, the odds seem promising that life could exist somewhere else, perhaps in forms we can barely imagine. By searching for life beyond Earth, we also gain new insights into our own planet, its uniqueness, its fragility, and our place in the grand story of the cosmos. NASA's Astrobiology Strategy guides this ongoing search, building on decades of groundbreaking missions, discoveries, and scientific breakthroughs. It's our roadmap as we journey deeper into the universe, searching for signs, big or small, that we might not be alone after all. NASA's search for life in the universe is guided by three big, fundamental questions. Questions that shape every mission and every discovery. First, how do habitable worlds form? It's not just about being the right distance from a star, in what's called the Goldilocks zone. A planet also needs water, a stable source of energy, and the right mix of chemicals to support life as we know it. Scientists study how planets are born, how they evolve, and what makes some worlds more likely to support life than others. Second, how do we find signs of life, biosignatures, beyond Earth? These clues might be unusual gases in a planet's atmosphere, like oxygen or methane, or organic molecules hidden in Martian soil. NASA uses powerful telescopes, robotic explorers, and advanced laboratory techniques to search for these hints, hoping to answer whether life exists elsewhere. Third, how did life begin and what's its future? By studying Earth's earliest life forms, from ancient fossils to the chemistry of the first cells, and by imagining new possibilities for life, we learn what might be possible on other worlds. This helps us understand not just our own origins, but the potential for life throughout the cosmos. These questions are deeply connected. To search for life, you need to know where to look, what to look for, and how to interpret what you find. Each answer leads to new questions and new discoveries. Together, they form a systematic scientific approach to the ultimate mystery: are we alone in the universe? This methodical search is at the heart of NASA's mission. It's how we move from simply asking, are we alone, to actually searching for real answers, step by step, with every mission and every discovery. The journey of exploration is as important as the destination itself. Every step brings us closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. To answer these questions, NASA uses some incredible tools. Mars rovers like Perseverance act as mobile labs, drilling rocks and searching for organic molecules. Space telescopes like Hubble and James Webb peer into distant atmospheres, looking for biosignatures like water vapor or methane. Missions target icy moons like Europa and Enceladus, sampling plumes that may reveal hidden oceans. On Earth, astrobiologists study life in extreme environments, learning how life survives in the harshest conditions. This research shapes our search for life elsewhere and helps us interpret what we find. It's a global detective story, with every tool bringing us closer to an answer. So, what are we actually searching for when we look for life beyond Earth? The universe is vast, and our quest is both thrilling and challenging. Scientists are on a mission to uncover the secrets of life elsewhere, using advanced technology and creative thinking. First and foremost, liquid water. It's the essential ingredient for life as we know it, and its presence is a major focus of our exploration. Every known life form depends on water, so follow the water has become astrobiology's guiding mantra. If we find water, we might just find life. Next, we search for organic molecules, the fundamental building blocks of life. These complex chemicals are necessary for living things to form and thrive. Discovering organic molecules, especially when they're found alongside water and a source of energy, is an especially promising sign that life could exist, or may have once existed. Scientists also seek out habitable environments, places stable and protected enough for life to survive and evolve, like ancient lake beds on Mars or the deep ocean vents beneath Europa's icy crust. Ultimately, the goal is to find a biosignature, a clue so unusual, so out of place, that it can only be explained by the presence of life itself. Each discovery, from a dried-up riverbed to a faint whiff of methane gas, brings us one step closer to answering the age-old question: are we alone in the universe? The search is slow and painstaking, but every clue, no matter how small, brings us closer to unraveling the mystery of life beyond Earth. The search for life beyond Earth changes how we see our own planet. Studying other worlds reminds us how rare and fragile Earth is, and why we must protect it. Astrobiology drives innovation, with technology developed for space missions improving life here, like better environmental sensors and medical imaging. The quest unites humanity, inspiring curiosity and hope across cultures and generations. Even if we never find life, the journey teaches us about the universe and ourselves. It challenges us to define what life is and to appreciate its resilience. NASA's search is just beginning, and the possibility of finding an answer keeps us looking up. The universe is vast, and the adventure continues.